Hey everyone, it's Cray Cray. I want to acknowledge God first, all my subscribers. Wish I could all my friends. They're all my friends all around the world. Just want to show you, I'm on my Ray-Ban Meta 2 glasses and I'm in the ocean. This water today is so clear. I'm not sure how the Ray-Bans do looking down at the water, but it's very clear water. And I'm in the water. I'm in the ocean. Oh, Cray Cray's in the ocean. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? God gave us this ocean. It's full of vitamins, this ocean. Full of vitamins. It's good for your body. It's the only place where salt can lower your blood pressure. Is the ocean. You know, I didn't even know that. I didn't even know that. But now we all know that. Standing here in the ocean in Canada, Vancouver Island. I've got birds looking at me, I can hear them. You know, the ocean is magical. It's like medicine. So is the forest. Look at this beautiful forest. Beautiful forest that God gave us. It feels like people are watching me through the trees. Oh. The water right now feels cold. It's cold. But it feels so good on the legs. On the legs it feels so good. Oh, it's making my legs look young again. Oh, it's giving them life again. It's making them reborn. Oh, it's like, this is one of the best feelings. Oh, as I put my hand through the water, I just want to thank you for being with me. Thank you. Thank you for being on the Cray Cray channel. Thank you for being here. I just want to thank you today. I really do. It's like medicine being here. It's not stressful here. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. Beautiful. Call me crazy, but it's beautiful. That sun beaming down on us, giving us all this energy in our bodies. You know, weather is